Have you been drinking lemon water every morning but still feel bloated, tired, or off balance? What if I told you the healthy way you're drinking it might be backfiring on your body? I used to swear by lemon water every morning. It felt like the perfect cleanse until my teeth got sensitive. My digestion got worse, and my energy dipped. That's when I dug deep into what actually happens when we drink lemon water the wrong way. Hey, I was shocked. So today, I'm sharing the 4 mistakes I made, what science says about them, and how you can fix it so you actually get the benefits without the side effects. Subscribe for daily health tips that actually work. Hit the bell so you never miss a real solution mistake. For 1, drinking lemon water right before meals. I thought I was prepping my gut, but lemon water can neutralize your stomach acid if you drink it too close to a meal. And when stomach acid is too weak, food sits, ferments, bloating happens. How do you fix this? Drink lemon water 30-60 minutes before meals idly in the morning on an empty stomach. When do you usually drink your lemon water, before or after eating? Mistake number 2, taking it like a shot. I used to drink it straight, just a quick shot and done. Turns out, that's like brushing your teeth with acid. Lemon juice has a pH of 2.3. That's nearly as corrosive as battery acid on your enamel. How do you fix this? Always dilute it with warm water and sip it through a straw to protect your teeth. Add a pinch of Himalayan salt for adrenal support, or a bit of stevia to balance the tank. Mistake number 3, drinking it with ulcers or gastritis. One morning, I felt this sharp burn in my stomach after lemon water. That's when I learned acid plus inflammation equals pain. If you have an ulcer, GERD, or inflamed stomach lining, lemon juice can aggravate the damage. How do you fix this? Avoid lemon water until your gut lining is healed. Opt for soothing options, like aloe vera or bone broth. Instead, lemon contains citrates that help prevent kidney stones and pseudo-gout. But if your gut lining is damaged, the citric acid may hurt more than help. Mistake number 4, ignoring signs of alkalosis. Lemon feels acidic, but it leaves an alkaline residue in the body. Too much can tip your pH balance, especially if you already lean alkaline. How do you know? You might feel lightheaded, twitchy, or like you're hyperventilating. Some even get heart palpitations. How do you fix this? If you're experiencing these, cut back on lemon water. Your body needs acid-alkaline balance, not just alkalinity. How to drink lemon water the right way. Morning, on an empty stomach, diluted 1.5 lemon in 1 cup warm water. Preferably, use a straw. Avoid lemon water if you have ulcers or alkaline imbalances. You could add magnesium or electrolytes for better hydration and hormone support. The good thing about lemon is that fresh lemons give real vitamin C, but bottled, pasteurized lemon juice, most of the vitamin C is destroyed by heat, and what's added back is usually synthetic ascorbic acid. Always go fresh and blend the whole lemon. Yes, including peel, for the full spectrum of benefits. I thought lemon water was a cure-all, but when I made these small tweaks, my bloating calmed down, my mornings felt lighter, and my skin even looked clearer. So no, you don't have to give it up. Just drink it smarter. Subscribe for daily health tips that actually work. Hit the bell so you never miss a real solution, and let me know in the comments, have you made any of these mistakes?